There's always something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric from Farpoint. Check out this Caprice Classic. Oh my gosh. This is a cruiser, man. Yeah, I'm over here at Rars Fest and I saw this sitting in the parking lot. This might be the most interesting find of the entire day here. Look at this beauty. Yeah, I don't want to get too close, but it's in mint shape. Original paint. Seats are just gorgeous. I don't want to get anybody's stuff there, but look at that. I don't know how many times when I was a kid we took a ride in the back of one of these station wagons, but they're about extinct. This won't be a terribly long video, but man, I had to share this with you. Isn't that beautiful? Take care.